Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the color scheme in the Speedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down, look for the color scheme button and just click on that. And if you scroll down, you will see all the colors that you can set. So just click on the one that's the best for you, and then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.